my song on so many different dials, cause I got more fucking hits than a disciplined child. So when they see me, everybody barracks. Man, I'm like a young gun, fully black barack. I try teardrops over the massive attack. I only make hits like I work with a racket and back. Look at my jacket and hat, so damn berserk, so down to earth. I'm bringing gravity back, adopted by the major. I want my family back. People work hard just to get all their salary tax. Look, I'm just a writer from the ghetto like Mallory Black. Man, where the hell's all the sanity at? Damn, I used to be the kid that no one cared about. That's why you have to keep screaming till they hear you out. When we ate, we never took, cause we needed a change. I needed a break. For a sec, I even gave up believing and praying. I even done illegal stuff and was leaded astray. They say that money is the root to the evilest ways. But have you ever been so hungry it keeps you awake? Mate, now my hunger will leave him amazed. Great, it feels like a long time.